Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. You are watching 5 Minutes Information channel. This is episode number 106 and I am your host Yusuf. In this episode, I will talk about the most latest chatbot tech AI ChatGPT 3.0. For guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. In this video, I will talk about the three main points. Number one, what is ChatGPT 3.0? Point number two, how ChatGPT 3.0 functions. Point number three, what are the effects of the ChatGPT 3.0? Point number one, what is ChatGPT 3.0? Artificial intelligence based chatbot ChatGPT is a generative pre-trained transformer. It is built on top of OpenAI's GPT-3 family of large language models and fine-tuned by an approach to transfer learning with both supervised and reinforcement learning. Point number two, how ChatGPT 3.0 function. ChatGPT, which interacts in a conversational way. The dialogue format make it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up the question, admit its mistake, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate request. ChatGPT is a sibling model to Instruct GPT, which is trained to follow an instruction in a prompt and provide a detailed response. Point number three, what is effect of ChatGPT? ChatGPT affects daily human lives and affects many professions and create new market for the professional, and it is the right time to take advantage from this opportunity. The following areas which is hit by the ChatGPT. Number one, conversational agent. Number two, digital writing. Number three, audio, video, and music. Beside this, ChatGPT will help out in all the function of finance, marketing, medicine, higher education, and e-learning. To the point number one, conversational agent. ChatGPT conversational feature assume that in future ChatGPT will perform the task of conversational agent and its chat as a human being. With this framework, virtual tutorship, virtual assistant, and virtual agent task will shifted to the ChatGPT platform. Number two, digital writing. ChatGPT has also featured to transcribe the audio, video, voice into the writing format. So writing will become very easy. Typing doesn't problem in the age of ChatGPT. It also helpful to text generation and text transformation. Number three, audio, video, and music. Audio, video editing make more easy. Voiceover, background voice, and background of video can easily be changed through the ChatGPT. It can also sing a song in human voice as well. Dell E2 has image creation property. User direction, it can create image as per the directive and instruction of the user. Is ChatGPT free? As per the OpenAI website, pilot testing with $18 in free credit that can be used during the first 3 months. After this, user have to pay as per their usage need. Here, I conclude the episode number 106. I hope you enjoy the information about the latest technology, what is AI ChatGPT, and what are the function of AI ChatGPT, and what is the effects of AI ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with 5 minutes information. I will back soon with another informative episode.